Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check TikTok's screen time. All you have to do is to launch the TikTok application, and then from here we're going to tap on our profile. We're going to tap on the three lines. Then we're going to tap on settings and privacy, and then we are going to tap on activity center. And from here we can see the amount of screen time by tapping here, which says your screen time data. And from here, we can see the 10 that I've spent. And as you can see, it's around 6 hours. So I can decide to put a timer when it comes to my screen time on TikTok by tapping on schedule break. Then let's put this one on, then head on over to screen time breaks. Then I can either choose it to be for 10 minutes to 20 minutes or 30 minutes, or choose a custom time. And once I'm happy with it, I'm going to choose it. Or once you are happy with it, you're going to tap on the OK and it will be set. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.